Have you ever wondered how you can create unique and stunning patterns for your projects in just a few clicks? Well, no worry. Introducing Pattern AI. To begin, head over to the dashboard and simply enter your prompt. From there, you have the option to make changes to the settings as needed, or simply keep the default setting. Hit the generate pattern buttons and within seconds you will have an incredible pattern design at your fingertips. But Pattern AI don't stop there. You can add your generated pattern to your favorites, download it and even generate similar patterns. The Pattern AI allows you to create unique patterns for your product quickly and easily. With this simple AI tool, you can search and create thousands of royalty-free patterns for every surface, and if you prefer, you can search through vast library of royalty-free stock images and download them for free. Don't waste any more time trying to create seamless patterns on your own. Let AI do the work for you. Start generating your own unique patterns today with Pattern AI.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit aidemos.com.